Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is time for a special video. It's a collab video that I'm doing with other YouTubers, so stay tuned to see what this one is all about. Alright, so this collab video comes from Tracey, Trials of a Long-Haired Girl on YouTube. Her link is down below. Check her out. She is a great lady. We were talking one day and she was talking about how she does a word of the year every year, which basically, if you do not know what that is, it is, I wrote down a little blurb. So it is, a word of the year is basically a single word that you want to be your mantra. It will be your motto, your motivation, and your goal for the year. So basically you pick a word that you want to reflect on for the rest of the year. She was telling me about that, and I thought it was a great idea. She wanted to do a video, and I was like, hey, would you like to do a collab? I'm sure other YouTubers love this. And she said, yeah, and we invited them, and that's how this thing came about. Because now, if you also check down below, there is a link to a bunch of other YouTubers. I think there's 8 of us total participating, where we are all doing our word of the year that we will use the rest of the year. And getting ideas from different people will help you pick one for yourself. And right now is a good time to pick it because you've got a couple of weeks to think about it before the new year begins. So, my word of the year, I chose choose. That is a big word for me. I have adjusted my chair. I have thought about it a lot, and I remember, especially on my first weight loss journey, that became a huge inspiration. It seems weird, and that's one thing I like about it. One word can be so powerful, especially choose. Like, what does that mean? But everything in life comes down to a choice. Every action, every reaction is due to a choice that you make. And we have so many choices in our lives, especially related to weight loss. Obviously, you can choose to eat healthy, you can choose to eat unhealthy, you can choose to go over your points, you can choose to not. You can choose what you do, and everything leads to some kind of reaction. Whether you're eating healthy and because of your choices you are losing weight, you are getting in better shape, or if you're choosing to eat bad food. That's got a lot of consequences because of that choice, because obviously you might gain weight, you probably won't feel that great, emotionally, mentally won't feel that great, and all of that is because of one choice. And it can be applied to every aspect of life, financially, relationships, activities, passions. If you choose one way or another, it matters. It makes a huge difference into what's going to happen. It can be the butterfly effect. It can change everything. It can change your entire life by making one choice. And so my focus for this entire year is going to be on my choices. My choice, I mean, it's going to be across the board. Obviously, for my weight loss, I am wanting to make healthy, right choices, choose to be more active, choose to eat better, all of that. But also, like I said, all of the other aspects, whether it be financial or with relationships, with, my anxiety, with different passions, different creative projects that I like, it all comes down to a choice that I want to make. And that is a reminder that I'm going to need throughout the entire year. So I am, for now, just on my motivational board. You can see it in the corner up there. On my motivational board, I'm going to put the word choose up there, or choice. Honestly, it's kind of a toss-up between the two. But I know Tracey said in the past she has gotten it on a keychain, and I like that idea a lot. Kind of like what WW does with their little pound rewards. You put that on there, and it's something you see every day. Every time you start your car, you lock your door, you can see that keychain and be reminded of what your word of the year is. I do know some other people in the past, like when I looked into this, a lot of people do like strength, or that's the only one that's popping up in my head. But watch the videos down below and you'll see a bunch of other examples of words that they use. So it doesn't have to be a super deep one, but it can be a very motivational one. Like for me, mine, I feel like is a little bit deeper because you do have to think a little bit, because just seeing the word choose, I mean, is this the Matrix? Are you choosing the red pill or the blue pill? No, but that is another choice that really, really changed that entire sequence. If he took the other pill, there'd be no movie franchise. But so it all boils down to a choice. And that is what I need to remind myself of. And especially in those moments, say I am having a very bad emotional day or a high anxiety day, where before I would choose bad food, having that reminder of choose or choice will be like, okay, I can choose to go down that path that I have gone down 10,000,003 times, or I can choose a better path that will lead me to a happier place, a healthier place. So it's a good reminder. So yeah, so that is my word of the year. If you're going to do this, please let me know in the comments below. I'm curious what other people come up with, because there are so many ways that we can motivate ourselves. Just like I'm really excited to see what everybody else comes up with and what they choose for their word of the year, whether it be strength, success, progress. I'm starting to think of some of the ones that I Googled. Those things are all wonderful words as well. So let me know in the comments if you are going to do something like this, if you like this idea, and what your word would be. I think it's a great idea. So anyway, thank you for watching. And if you haven't checked out the other channels yet, please, they are amazing people. And all of us are on weight loss journeys, whether it's through exercise or through Weight Watchers or through dieting or calorie counting. We're all on a journey to lose weight or be healthier, or some have probably hit goal. And so it's really, really inspiring. A lot of people share recipes. I do that sometimes, or do motivational things or how-tos. There's a bunch of stuff. So there's amazing people. Check them out. Again, links in the description box down below. Check them out and give them a thumbs up. Tell them you came from me. That'd be cool. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow when I do my weigh-in.